One thing on Squarespace that a lot of people think that you can't do is change the email notification settings on your site. So when someone orders something from your e-commerce store on Squarespace, what do they actually get served as like a receipt or a notification or whatever it may be? Now, because you can't quite edit the checkout itself, you can do some styling, but nothing crazy. People think it's almost like a walled garden and you can't do anything to it. But for the emails, you absolutely can. And I'm going to show you in this video how you can edit those. So all you need to do is go down here into settings, and then you're going to look for its customer notifications. So click on this, and then you'll see you've got your global email styles, so you can edit those, which would just be colors, button style, etc. But if we go a bit deeper into either product and services or content and memberships, depends what you're selling. I'll just do products for now. But within products, you'll see your general order emails, fulfillment emails, subscription order emails, and your customer engagement as well. So you can choose between, all of these. You can edit each separate from each other. So if you make a change to the order confirmed email template, for instance, that's not going to change anything for any of these. So we'll just start with this for a simple order confirmation. All you need to do is go into here, so edit email, and then you can see it's just like any email campaign on Squarespace. So if you're familiar with building email campaigns, it's exactly the same. You can just click plus and you can add sections in here. So if you want to personalize it a little bit, you can click images, you can add a graphic in here. So you can just click on your image, upload a file, or select something from the website, or you can browse a stock image. So we'll just add this in, for instance, here. So that's in, and obviously then you can just change the styling, the spacing, etc. Your site title is going to be edited in the global email styles, so you can put a logo or the title in there, and then you can actually change what is said in here. So usually it's going to be the order number. If you want, you can actually delete that and just say order confirmed, or you can say Sam is handsome. A lot of people say that, so if you want to put that in, you can. But you can even get rid. You can move sections about. The only thing you can't really do much with is the order summary itself, because obviously you need that. You need that to stay consistent. So the only thing really you can do is move this about. If you want that to take priority over absolutely everything, you can move that up here. You can, however, change the padding. So if you want to change the padding and then the lines, it's not, it's not brilliant, but if you want, you can do that and just change the style of those lines if you wish. Now, in terms of adding other stuff in, you're a little bit more limited with this insofar as you can't put like blog posts or anything like that. So you've got text, line, spacer, image. And then the buttons, again, these are the styles are set within the global site styles. And you can't actually add any other buttons into here. And then finally, within each order, you can change the subject line and a preview as well. And once you're happy, all you do is hit save your changes, and that will publish them immediately. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.